I'm going to do one that I wrote myself, one entitled Walking in the Park. Well, my name is Oscar, my real name, but they call me Red, so I go with Red. I was born in Avery County in 1920, February the 20th, 1920. Yeah, I started playing when I was, I don't know, about when I was 10 or 12. I borrowed a fiddle. I took a liking to the fiddle, and I borrowed me a fiddle, and I learned to play Red Wing. And it took me all day long, but I finally got it where I could play it a little bit. So I guess I kind of drove my mama crazy there for that day. It's a different style than most other styles. You know, they've a Kentucky style, and you know, every state's about got a different style of playing. But here in the old mountains, we call it Appalachian style.